Hey guys, di ba sabi nila banned na yung Roblox? Wait lang, sabay ko. Ito, wait lang. Roblox banning in Philippines. The Philippines government has issued a warning to Roblox, citing child safety concerns and demanding stricter protection. Mercenaries, a deadline of March 31, 2026.
March 31 nang i-band.
Has been
March 31.
set for Roblox to copy or face potential nothing one words restriction background. The Department of Information and Information and Communication Technology PICT and the Investigation and Coordinating Center SICICC have raised concern over reports of secure production, grooming, and exploitation of ganun yun guys. Ang maaris, natural disaster, hide and seek, all things moon?
Basta.
Yung so yan ang ma-erase guys. And
MM2.
wala yung rivals.
Yung MM2.